Hello my friends, mari kita belajar ekspresi bahasa Inggris yang sangat penting yuk. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Ini bukan urusanmu. It's no use. It's no use. Tidak ada gunanya. It can be. It can be. Bisa jadi. Move a bit please. Move a bit please. Tolong geser sedikit. It's your turn. It's your turn. Sekarang giliranmu. My friends, if you want to speak English, you have to memorize a lot of vocabularies and phrases. Then, you have to practice a lot every day, every time, and in everywhere. And remember, you have to listen English a lot and speak English every day and every time. Thank you so much. See you next time, guys.